Pancake? Are you going into the shed where you're not supposed to be? Yeah, that's what I thought. It's scary in there, isn't it? Pancake. Don't you dare jump in there. Don't jump in there, Pancake. A pancake? Get out of there. Pancake. You are not Dora the Explorer. Get out of there. Come here. Get out of here. Good rabbit. Now you got a leaf stuck to you. Wow, you got a leaf stuck to your foot now, don't you? Yeah, that leaf is stuck to your foot, isn't it? Okay, now you got it off. It's still stuck. Oh my goodness. Oh. See, you're all dirty now. Oh. Pancake. I'm gonna have to give your feeties a bath now. Okay, you know what? Don't be Dora Explorer, because that is the great unknown and bunnies are not allowed in there. Sweets used to go in there and she used to get in trouble. Okay, going through the fence is not safe either, Dora. Your exploring days are over, Pancake. See, look, now you're all gross. You need a bath now.